I saw this on TikTok and on social media, it was giving very much abs. It was giving very much slim waist. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna try that out. So I went on. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel and I'm back with another video. I know you guys saw the title, so you already know what's up. So this is episode 1 of TikTok made me do it. That could be TikTok made me buy it or TikTok made me try it. In this case, TikTok made me buy it. So I have been seeing this all over TikTok, even Instagram, this weighted hula hoop. As you guys know, I am currently on my weight loss journey, so I'm trying different things out that's going to help me get to where I need to be, okay? And so when I saw this on TikTok and on social media, it was giving very much abs. It was giving very much slim waist. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to try that out. So I went on Amazon, of course, and I found it. Now there are so many different ones on Amazon. What I would definitely say is to read the reviews. Like there was one which was sponsored by Amazon. It was on Prime. I could have gotten it the next day. It was a little more expensive too. It may have been like $60, but the reviews were horrible. Like all the reviews were saying how it was like hurting their stomach, these little knot things. I'm like, you know what? No. So the one that I got from Amazon is by the company Namu Essentials. I did see a YouTube video on this one, and another reason why I chose this particular company, for one, the reviews were good, and for two, it came in a bundle. So I'm currently in a challenge. It incorporates jump rope, different things, dance Tabata, as well as like trap and tone or toning. So I needed the cordless jump rope. And when I saw this that came with it, I'm like, you know what? This is a sign. Like, why not get this one? And so with the bundle package, this one was $49. And again, it came with the weighted hula hoop and the cordless jump rope. So I'm going to put a little clip in here to show you guys like what part of the challenge I'm going to be using these for, or what cordless jump ropes are, just in case you were wondering.
J Dirty.
So yeah, also too, on the site it states to use this for 7 days for 30 minutes at a time. So I'm gonna record myself doing this for 7 days straight. I'm gonna try to do 7 days straight for 30 minutes at a time to see if I notice any change, to let you guys know if it's worth buying. Okay, that's what I'm here for, to help you save some coins. So if it's not worth it, I'm gonna definitely let you guys know that. But enough rambling, let's go ahead and open this up. I got my scissors. All right, so yes, I'm super excited for this. Let me tell you, if this thing get my stomach down, y'all ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing. It has a little weight to it also, which I anticipate, because like I said, the weighted hula hoop and the cordless jump ropes I think are about a pound and a half, maybe 2 pounds max. And so this is the box. And I also didn't know it came with the tape measure down here also too, so to make sure. Now all the reviews were good. They were saying that this actually helped everything. Now I do want to mention, now this is a little damage at the bottom of Amazon. Like, come on now, come on. All right, so this is how it's looking once you open. Okay, once you open it up. So this is the tape measure. It just has their name, Namu Essentials, on there. All right, and this is a pamphlet letting you know how to connect the things that goes for the hula hoop, let you know how to connect those and everything. So that's what this is for. So these are the cordless jump ropes. It has a little timer here where you can count your skips. This is the weighted ball on the end of those. So next is the actual hula hoop. And so right off the bat, like the other ones that I mentioned when I said that they had a thing that said it was hurting their stomach, it's this part here. So this is on all the pieces that goes around for the hula hoop, but this one feels pretty smooth, I should say, but we're gonna test it out. All right. And so you just snap them together. Y'all heard the snap. Okay, we're getting somewhere. So number one, this is super easy to put together. Y'all have seen this in real time. Wait, that took literally maybe 30 seconds. Oh, okay. And this is the weighted ball that is supposed to go around your hula hoop. So yeah, this is a little heavy, and it just has the logo on here as well. But that's it. It just hangs on this little thing that's supposed to spin around. So I put all the things on here, and of course this is too big, so I need to take one off to make it a little more tighter. I took off one, and that's a little tighter, so that seems to be a little bit better. Yeah, so I would definitely say that this would definitely help target those abdominal muscles and make them a little sore. Of course, with repetition, you will see change. So I'm anxious to see if this will actually help for doing this for 7 days straight, about 30 minutes a day. I'm anxious to see what the results will be, but I do not feel any discomfort. No. What I plan on doing is put on me some music and doing this for 30 minutes before or after I do my normal workout, and just letting that be that. And I know y'all can hear that noise. It's just a thing going around. Not too bad. I don't know how it's picking up on camera, but yes, I'm excited to put on me some music or a nice little show and do this for 30 minutes. I'll definitely be sure to film this for you guys and let you know if it's worth you using your coins. First impressions, it's a yes for me. We'll see what it's given once I continue to do it, you know, on a regular basis. But yeah, so I hope you guys did enjoy. Thank you for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.